everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I am going to show you how to make a Halloween card. Yes, it's that time of year again, and I'm going to show you how to make a Halloween card. So here's what you're going to need. You're going to need some cardstock, and you're going to need some markers or pencils depending on how you feel. So I'm going to use a little bit of both here. So to start off, open up whatever you have in store there. So I need to get that one, and I need to get this one, as you can see. So I'm going to get, so here's what I have, if you can see it on camera. I have a black pencil, orange marker, black marker. So like usual, what I'm going to do is I am going to fold this in half like this. There we go. So now here's what I'm going to do. I'll take my pencil, get these out of the way so you can see what I'm doing. So I have the happy part drawn out in orange and black pencil. And Halloween will be that way too. And I made the A on Halloween look like a ghost. I made it look like a lamp falling. So now what I do is I take go like this. Now what I do is I take my markers and go like this. And there you go. That is how you make a Halloween card. So, on the inside, the spookiest time of year. And I also did it backwards like a door. So instead of opening, let's say like a normal card like this, you open this one backwards. Then you have to turn it kind of like a funhouse type thing. And then we have the barcode. So that's how you do that. My YouTube channel name, because this is what I'm making. So there you go. So, with that said, that is it for this video. Please comment, like, subscribe, and click that bell for more notifications.